Now, speaking of vehicles, you know Ford had to respond to that TRX. You know they couldn't let that go on its own. The horsepower wars are fully underway when it comes to the pickup trucks. Ram puts out the TRX 702 horsepower, something around there. I got all fired up. I was like, I might have to go check that out. That's what I said. But I knew that there was going to be some next Raptor, and that's exactly what this report has here. A V8 version, 2021 Ford F-150 Raptor R, 700 plus horsepower, debuting February 3rd. We don't even have to wait long. And the thing is, there's the rumor it could get the engine from the Mustang Shelby GT500. That's a 760 horsepower engine, Mr. Willie Do. So that's a huge increase from the current 450 horsepower that's on the current Raptor. I mean, it's enormous. But, you know, Ford, they don't want to mess around when it comes to their flagship. They sell so many F-150s. And this vehicle, the Raptor, or for Ram, the TRX, it sort of represents the brand in a big way. Even though most people aren't going to buy that version of it, there's some bragging rights with it. And so I'm real excited to see what the performance is like on this next model, but also sort of the bodywork and things like this, how they're going to make it feel aggressive to go up against that TRX. And we don't have to wait too long, February 3rd.